Hello and welcome back to another episode of Business Partner. Trade unions are organizations formed by workers to protect their interests in the workplace. Their main purpose is to support employees in various ways, such as negotiating better wages, improving working conditions, and protecting workers' rights. Understanding why workers join trade unions helps us see their importance and how they influence businesses and workers alike. One of the key reasons workers join trade unions is to gain collective bargaining power. When employees unite, they can negotiate better wages and benefits more effectively than they could individually. For example, a group of factory workers at a car manufacturing plant might team up to negotiate higher wages or improved safety measures. Without a union, individual workers might find it difficult to challenge the decisions of management on their own. Another reason workers join unions is to protect themselves from unfair treatment or exploitation. If employees feel they are being unfairly disciplined or dismissed, a union can provide legal support and represent their interests. Suppose a worker at a supermarket is mistakenly accused of theft. Through their union, they can access legal advice and support to defend themselves. This helps ensure fair treatment and prevents workers from being unfairly penalized. A further reason is that unions often advocate for better working conditions. For instance, workers might push for shorter working hours, safer environments, or more comfortable breaks. A small case study could involve a construction company where workers faced long hours in unsafe conditions. Their union negotiated with management to implement safety standards and reduce working hours, leading to healthier, more satisfied workers. Ultimately, workers join trade unions to have a stronger voice in the workplace. By banding together, they can influence decisions that affect their jobs, pay, and working environment. Recognizing these dynamics helps in understanding the balance between employee rights and business needs.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.